today's video, we're going to be looking at CVC words. Let's get started. B, E, D, bed. Let's try it again. B, E, D, bed. Good job. Let's look at the next word. K, A, T, cat. Shall we try it again? K, A, T, cat. Well done. Let's have a look at another word. A, P, map. Let's have another go. A, P, map. Well done. Let's move on to the next word. D, O, G, dog. Let's have one more try. D, O, G, dog. Well done. Are you ready for another word? E, T, net. Let's have another go. E, T, net. Well done. Let's try another word. F, I, N, fin. Let's sound it out again. F, I, N, fin. Well done. Are you ready for another word? H, O, T, hot. Let's try that one more time. H, O, T, hot. Well done. Let's have a look at another word. A, G, rug. Let's sound that out one more time. A, G, rug.
Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more such videos.